What's up, everyone? Jacob here. Alright, so a couple weeks back, Diablo reached out and said I should take a look at their carbide blades. They have this more cuts, less time contest, right? So you take these, you message them, you tell them what you've been doing and all that other stuff, your trade, and you can win something. And a lot of people, since I did my unboxing of the Super Sawzall, said they wanted to see that compared to the regular. So what I did is I built a little setup here, right? I've got some 2x6s with these driven in fully, and then the same 2x6s with some of these, I don't know if you call these like barn spikes or timber frame spikes at the bottom. One I was able to get in, the other one I limp wristed it or whatever. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these galvanized 3-inch nails, and there's one spike. Take the spikes at the top. I'm going to take and cut one with the Super Sawzall and one with the Sawzall. We'll take a look at the video and see which one's faster. I will stop. I'll do time code type thing. We'll recharge the battery. I'll show that to you. In fact, here's the first battery. I'll do it twice, fully charged. I'm going to go ahead and unpack these things because we know I'm going to need a Sawzall just to unpack the blades. Here we go. Let's cut. Fresh battery. I'm going to get each one started like that, and then I'm just going to let the saw pull it through. First one, fuel, Milwaukee, Sawzall, carbide blade, battery, still fully charged. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nails. One of them, the timber spike. Not so bad. All right, I'll be right back once I've got the other one mounted. We'll take a look at the Super Sawzall. I'm going to charge it while I'm setting it up. Had to find these. The kids told me they were on my head. All right, we're going to do the Super Sawzall. I'm going to actually try it in the oscillating. We'll see. I don't think this is a lose type scenario either way. These things always fog up. Milwaukee, I need some of those anti-fog ones because look at that, always fogging up. All right, so let's see if I can do this. We're gonna get it started again. And then we're gonna just let the weight of the saw. Damn, that was nice. I'm gonna cut this again. Oh, stupid fogging glasses. Okay, so Milwaukee, if you want to send me some of these to try out, I'd love it. I mean, come on. Seriously? I'm not Fred Durst. It's just a Milwaukee hat. But I did do it all for the nookie. So, let's try this regular method and see if that makes a difference. Not bad. All right. Now, just because, you know, why not? Let's take a look at the battery. 1 bar down. So, Let's cut this the rest of the way. It's not bad at all.
It's not like wood.
So, when I get this in, stupid fogging glasses. When I get this into the computer, I'll take a look at these times. Either way, it cut through those nails like they weren't in there. So, there's the difference. You can see Super Sawzall versus the Sawzall. I felt like it didn't make a huge improvement in time, but the Super Sawzall is also heavier, so it probably pulled its way through, if anything. The oscillating, when I was two-handing it and getting it against the board, definitely pushed back. But I'd say I like it. Yes, they are fogging. So, stay tuned. Watch more videos. Hit the little like button. And subscribe, all that good stuff. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Peace out. All that good stuff. More good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, and good stuff. And pack out!